Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited because we're finally installing a short shifter on the 9th gen Civic. Ooh. So yeah, the short shifter is a hybrid racing short shifter. The quality of the build is pretty nice. I already assembled everything, so it's like ready to be put in, but there's a carbon knob right here that I'm debating to use. Probably not, because I have the acuity red one. I like the aluminum feeling better, but the quality feels pretty good. It looks nice and stiff compared to the old one that's gonna be taken out of the car. Here's a better look at the short shifter. Everything looks like CNC aluminum and nice and high quality. So overall, the quality seems really nice and good. So this is my current setup right now. Everything is stock, and then I just have this acuity red shift knob on top. I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything to install the short shifter. I'm gonna take these panels apart. From what I heard, all you have to do to take this part off is just pull up. You can get a pry tool, or I just use my hands and I grab underneath and I pull up and it pops right off. Then there's gonna be a few plugs for the USB charger, the ports, the HDMI ports, the cigarette lighter charger. I think that's what it's called, I'm not sure. Besides that, there's also gonna be 2 bolts right there holding in the center console, which is gonna be right there and right there. I'm gonna show you guys the throws on this so you guys can know the difference. So this is how long the throws are. Yeah, so the throws are pretty long. Hopefully afterwards it's pretty short. I'm gonna get started taking everything apart, and hopefully I get done with this pretty fast. Doesn't seem like too hard of an install. Ooh, okay. The knob is finally on there, the cutie shift knob. It matches the aluminum look from the actual hybrid racing one. This looks super nice. I'm so excited to finally put it in the car. This is the old setup right here. It's not the best, but the Honda stock shift knob does feel pretty good. It's just the throws are a little long and there's a little more play to it. I just want to show you guys what you guys need to take off. So first of all, there's 2 bolts underneath here I showed you guys earlier. One right there and one right there. There's another 2 that goes right here. Gonna be one right here and the other one, that one right there. And then on along the side of the car, there's a few clips. There's gonna be one right there. And then on the passenger side, there's gonna be 2. So one on the top and then one on the bottom right there. There is one 8mm back here, right there, next to the shifter that holds your center console to the car. And then all you have to do from there is just pull off the console and everything's off. All right guys, everything's taken out. It's kind of dirty in here, so I'll probably wipe it down real quick. But it looks like all you have to do is take off this bolt right here, that one, and then the 4 holding in the shifter. 1, 2, and then in the front, 3rd one right there. The 4th one is underneath all these cables, but it's gonna be the same bolt. Oh, I also forgot to mention the bolts on the side right there. So in order to move these side shifter cables, there's gonna be a clip right here just holding it in. So you just pull out the clip, that piece right there, the little clip. And then for this piece, you're gonna flick this white piece open. So it's like a latch. You have to spin this as high as you can so it like unscrews, then pull it off like that. And now that cable is off, and you can move on to take off the 4 bolts and the bottom piece, which is going to be inside there. So how you remove this ball joint right here, there's actually a pin right here. So yeah, that clip right there, it's going to go around. All you got to do is lift up from 2 points right there, this front 2 pieces, pull it up, and the entire shifter will just come out. Everything is out nice and clean. I mean, it's not super clean, but you know. This is gonna be the new shifter. Looks pretty nice. But yeah, there's 2 settings on here. There's 1 and 2, 2 being the shortest. So that's what it's set at right now. I'm gonna connect all the bushings and shifter cables. We'll get back to it. The assembly is back together. Still haven't put the center or the armrest back in, but this is the first look of it. Right there. Ooh, looks pretty nice. In the middle, there's definitely a lot less play. And when you shift, ooh, it's nice and notchy. It's a little hard, but I think you'll get used to it. But definitely really stiff. But I'm gonna assemble everything back together and then we'll take another look at it. The shifter is super nice and notchy. Goes into gear pretty well. You can hear all the clicks. It's a great shifter. I've been driving around for a few weeks now, and so far it hasn't really given me any problems. It feels a lot tighter. The previous shifter that we had on here was just the OEM one. It was kind of like dusty, so every time you shift you hear like some sort of clicking noise. So this is a nice upgrade from that. But yeah, leave a comment down below what do you guys think about the hybrid racing shifter. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.